Crazy Easy Keto. Keto cooking that's crazy easy. Hey guys, Cass here. Welcome back to another helping of Crazy Easy Keto. And today it is another feast or fail Friday. Today I am attempting to make keto butter cookies. This is a recipe I've never tried before, but it only has 4 ingredients and it looks super, super easy. Well, the way I'm making it's technically 5 because the recipe calls for salted butter, which I only had unsalted, so obviously I've got a little bit of salt here to add a pinch of salt in. So, in this bowl here, we've got 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna just pour it into our big mixing bowl here. There we go. And it's just softened, not completely melted, but you do want it soft enough to be easy to mix. Okay, and then we're gonna take just a teeny little pinch of salt. Just the tiniest little bit because the recipe did call for salted butter, which I do not happen to have on hand today. Okay, so we've got that. There we go. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then it will be a 1/4 cup of the Swerve, the confectioners or powdered sugar version. And then a cup of almond flour, and that's it. That's our dough. I do have the oven preheating to 350 in the background there. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, let's get our Swerve confectioner sugar in there. Come on. Whew. Making a mess, as always. This is me, guys. That's how I do. Okay. The other thing is you do want to make sure that your baking sheet for this is lined with parchment paper so that your cookies do not stick. All right. And in goes our almond flour. Okay. Now you've kind of got a couple of different options when it comes to mixing this, especially with that butter. You can either go with just a fork to help make sure that butter gets mashed so it's not a big clump, or alternatively, you can take 2 table knives and just kind of use them to cut up any big clumps of butter, just pulling them in opposite directions. All right, so you just want to use your fork or knives, whichever you prefer, to mix it together until you don't have any big clumps of butter. And then once it really starts to come together, go ahead and use your hands and really mix it all until you have one big ball of dough. Okay, so now that we've got our dough all nice and together, we're gonna grab our cookie sheet here that, as I mentioned before, is lined with parchment paper, and we are just gonna roll out our dough onto it. Well, roll our dough into balls and put it on our cookie sheet. This might be a little easier for you guys to see that way. There we go. And the recipe said it makes about 9 cookies. Rolling, 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 ride. Roll that dough. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Now we're gonna just take a fork and you're just gonna press it across one way, whoop, and then press it again going the other direction so you get a nice little crisscross pattern. And repeat on all your cookies. And there we go. And now we're just gonna pop them in the oven for 10 minutes, and then after that let them cool on a wire rack for about another 10, and we'll be back when they're ready. And we are back. The cookies are done, and as you can see, we've got 3 little taste testers today. These are my daughters. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
All right, go ahead and try one of the cookies Mommy made. Tell me if they're good. Okay, wait until everybody's got one. Sky, go stand next to your sisters and everybody take a bite. What do you think?
Delicious.
And the dogs are curious too. Oh, we got 2 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down. All right, guys. Yes, you can eat the whole cookie. Oh, we changed our minds. So 3 thumbs up. Well, and maybe 3 paws up too. All right, I gotta try one too. So here we go.
They're not bad, are they? They're delicious.
You're right. They're really good. They're really sweet, but they're really, really good. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hungry for more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a helping of Crazy Easy Keto. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Peace.